Hey guys, welcome to this channel. I've just finished another great trading session with binary options on Quotex. I've started with just $5. If you want to find out where I got with this little amount, if we can make some real money with that, what I used, indications, oscillators, technical analysis, strategies, and all that, watch this video till the end, you'll find out. I'm starting right now. I'm Oliver, let's go. Hey guys. Today, only $5. We'll see where we can get with that amount and start straight away with a call option. We're breaking through the resisting middle line of the KETTLER channel, and this is a slight pullback, I believe. And so by entering at the bottom of this pullback, we are pretty much doing a good thing there, because I believe after this pullback the price will start going back up. Hopefully that's the idea behind the decision anyways. Now we have the support from the middle line as well, so yeah, let's hope this works out. Let's wait for the result of this and continue. Here is the profit, guys, from this first option. Not huge amounts of course yet, but we're gonna keep pushing and we're gonna make some nice balance. $10 towards the next option. Let's do that. Let's keep going. Boom boom boom. Don't forget, guys, to like, subscribe, and comment, of course. This helps channel to grow enormously. By the way, you see I'm using also parabolic SAR today, apart from the KETTLER channel and MACD that I personally use a lot of times. We have the parabolic SAR also. So this is looking like a really strong bear trend, downtrend, whatever you want to call it, and we're gonna keep with it. We're just gonna make the put option with the trend. We're below everything here. We're below the channel, below the parabolic SAR. The MACD is looking way down. So yeah, this should be a sure decision. So let's wait for the result and continue. Here is a profit, guys. We have the almost a double. It's 92% payout, so it's almost $20 already. So yeah, let's keep going. We're gonna boom boom, $19 there, and continue. Okay, so it's going down, but I'm gonna go ahead with a call option here. Why? Because, well, you'll say MACD is actually about to cross the slower line, which means the price would go down. But here we have the parabolic SAR and the middle of the KETTLER channel acting as a support for us, which might well push us back up. And this is the idea that I have behind this decision. So it's not always only of course it's not always only the oscillator indication or whatever, but here and actually we have an upper trend going on globally. So that's also a good point for the call option. So let's wait for the result of this and continue. Here is the profit, guys. It's amazing how I managed to talk through the whole minute. Okay, so we'll continue with $37 towards the next option, and let's go and change the currency. By the way, I changed currencies because I try to find a nice looking pattern or situation, and so it's easier for us to, it's more visibly easier for you guys to also see what's going on and why the decision was made. Otherwise, if we're on one asset, which you should be working with a few assets and try to study the asset. But for the videos, not so much. It's going to be a bit boring. Let's go with this put option here. As I mean, globally there's a downtrend. We are below the parabolic. We are almost going through the floor of the Keltner channel, and the MACD is looking way down. So yeah, good point to go with the put option. Let's find out if that's correct and continue. Here's the profit, guys, and you can see how it grows exponentially already. It is $71. We're gonna keep pushing with that. We use the $71 entirety because we're trying to work with a compound percent here, kind of a snowball situation, and it works pretty well, as you can see. Let's keep going. By the way, don't forget to check out description to this video, because I leave the invitation link to a Telegram group where you can learn all about the indicators, strategies, technical analysis. You get signals there and a lot of information from me and my team. We share years of experience to make your own decisions, etc. Don't forget to check that out. Here we are going with a put option, guys, and you can see we reached the middle line of the Keltner channel and it is acting as a resistance, I believe, and we might likely be bouncing off it for a correction. Or maybe this is a correction actually, but I believe we will drop here a little bit, either for the correction or maybe even going further down, because it's unclear what MACD is doing there. That's not good for us at the moment, but we have the parabolic SAR, which is at the top, and we have the middle line of the Keltner channel, which helps us. So yeah, let's find out the result and continue. Guys, we are in the three numbers already, 3 figures there, and of course we started with only $5, and I think this is already a pretty good thing that you can see how the snowball effect works. We're gonna keep pushing a bit more. So let's place the 136 in investment box and continue with the next currency. This looks like we're not able to go through the middle line. It keeps us there. See, sometimes it's a good thing because it looks like we're collecting the power, and then when we have it, we'll go through the line. But right now everything's looking kind of bearish, and we're gonna keep with it. We're not gonna invent things that are not here. With a put option, we are going to expect a bit more of the drop in price here. And yeah, let's find out the result and continue. Here's the profit, guys. I think you can see that we're starting to grow exponentially, not just as a snowball, but kinda. I think the snowball, when it gets bigger, right, it picks up more snow. So yeah, the idea is that 261 for the next option. 261 in. Let's move on. How about this here? Does that look good? MACD is looking down actually. Yeah. Okay, let's go with the put option here. I'm gonna trust a little bit the fact that parabolic is actually acting here a little bit as a resisting level. So I think, right, this is a good thing. We just had a profit and it's $500 on our balance. You can see what amount of, you know, of X's we've done here, and basically I'm gonna go maybe push a bit more. Don't know if you could possibly continue in this currency and probably go down, because I see that it's trying to break through. So $500 and the next one. So globally we have a downtrend, right? But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with a call option here actually, because I think that there's an end for any trend, and this looks like it's going. This trend is becoming more shallow and the candles are not so strong anymore. And even if we are going in for a correction and we profit from this, that's good for us already. So let's wait for the result of this and we see what we do next. Ooh, we got the profit, guys, from this option, and you can see we got almost to $1,000. We're gonna stop here. I hope you enjoy this. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.